What's up, Bratans? I hope you hear me. We have huge news coming out. We see right now the big news. SEC sues Binance and accuse crypto exchange of mishandling funds. This is the reason why we see right now a massive dump on the Bitcoin and the whole crypto market. And also we see right now in this moment is happening the Apple keynote, which presenting, as you see here, the new Apple MacBook, the new MacBook. Wait a minute, I have to make that you see it. I have stretched to the window. Wait a minute. 1 second. Stretch to screen. Now this one. 1 second. No, this one. Transform. Yeah. Okay, now you see. So right now you hear me, yeah? They introducing the new MacBook, or no, this fucking piece of shit. You see it like this, like a garbage thing. This is the only thing which can right now save us is if Apple, as soon as Apple presenting this Google piece of shit glasses, and if they're speaking somehow about crypto, then we could potentially see a bounce here on the weekly or on the monthly support line. Because right now we have massive FUD of the SEC suing Binance. We see all the media is right now reporting it. For example, on CoinGecko, we see Bitcoin drop below 26K, experience a 5.1% decrease after the news of the SEC lawsuit against Binance. So, Bratans, be prepared right now. If you appreciate that I do the second video for you, go right now and hit the like button so that our live stream get pushed to the upside and we're getting more views than the Apple keynote, which is running right now parallel here to us. And if you and tell me also if you want that we watch this Apple keynote together, because yeah, you see M2 Pro, M2 Max, blah 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 blah. This is not interesting for us. We want to see, as soon as they're introducing the Apple glasses, this is the moment when we could see here the bounce on the monthly support line. So right now, what is important for us? For us, it's important right now, in case you started to short Bitcoin as soon as you broke the daily support line to shorting down to the weekly support line, you made right now already 4% profits. Congratulations. I told you this is a short opportunity as soon as you're breaking daily support. So it could potentially be even a short opportunity to the monthly support to 24,900, but I wouldn't short right now because this could be a liquidation week to liquidate all the long positions before we see a massive pump to the upside. We see also if we're switching right now to the shorts are gaining momentum. As you see here, we see the shorts chart. If the shorts chart going up, it means more shorts in the market than long position. And we are overall, we see more shorts in the market than longs. So right now, very important, in case we are breaking the monthly support line, Bratans, this is the moment for us when we can go even bigger short on Bitcoin, when we can go short to around 21,100. This would be 15% short opportunity. I don't expect it, but it would be possible in case we are breaking monthly support line. This is a big short opportunity, because if we are going below below the monthly support line, below 24,800, then we're going for sure to close this CME gap, which is still not closed, at around 21,100, 21,200, which we speak the whole time about it, right? Let us quickly switch to the total crypto market cap, and we see we broken, as I told you, Bratans, today in the morning in the video, I told you we're forming here the symmetrical triangle, we're getting squeezed, and I told you as soon as we break it to the up or downside, it will be massive move. But be careful right now, because this could be a fake out, because again, it's this massive dump happened because SEC sues Binance and accuse crypto exchange of mishandling funds. But as we know, if you are watching this channel, if you are for longer in crypto, then you know this news is, I mean, we're getting every 3-4 weeks this FUD regarding Binance. I don't expect that Binance do any shit, because CZ is following me and I trusting CZ, but nobody knows. I expecting it could be potentially as soon as the Apple keynote, which is running parallel to our live stream right now, and we have more views than Apple keynote, if as soon as they're introducing the Apple glasses, I expecting we could see here a massive pump on the Bitcoin chart and overall on the crypto chart. For this reason, I bought right now some altcoins I want to share with you. I so quickly set up the live stream that I couldn't post it even in our group. So I bought right now paper. Wait a minute, I show you. I bought right now even more paper. Wait a minute, where is it? Let me quickly switch here. So I bought right now even more paper because paper had a massive dump. So I bought paper right now here at around, this price, at around 10 cents. The next coin which I right now bought also more, I bought today in the morning, I bought right now a dollar cost averaging because we have to dollar cost average into the market to get the best price, right? I mean, it's not financial advice, do your own research. I bought here also Sui because Sui, you see, Sui had also a massive dump. We dumped even here to 77 cents. Right now we are at around 80 cents. And I told you I'm expecting that Sui will bottom out between 90 and 80 cents. So potentially this could be the bottom, but nobody knows. I bought Sui. Sui could have a very quick pump to the upside. Another coin could surprise you. But another coin which I bought right now is Gala. Gala saw a massive dump from 29 cents to 26 cents. I bought it here at around 26. I bought nearly the bottom, 26, yeah, but here around 26.4 I bought here, Gala. So Gala could see potentially a massive pump to the upside. Wait a minute, let me quickly watch if the trades got executed. Okay, perfectly, they got executed. And what I'm watching also to buy, I shared quickly with you, what I'm watching also to buy right now, where I said in case we are breaking further to the downside, I'm watching to buy FXS. FXS is one of my, in my opinion, blue chip projects because I set a stop, I set a limit order at $5.80. $5.80 is approximately here. As soon as we're retesting here this white support line, I mean, it's a massive support line since May 2022. So it's a 1 year resistance and support line. As you see here, it had a massive resistance. Then we broke it to the upside. Then we are retested once, twice, and here potentially we are retesting it again. So I'm buying also here FXS again more in case we are breaking further to the downside. But be careful because I could imagine that this is only a trap because one of the reasons, because I could imagine it's a trap because I mean, now some people will laugh and shit in my face, but we have full moon, bratans, and potentially on full moon, there's always a 60 to 70% opportunity, as I told you today in the morning, that we could see here a pump to the upside. Because yes, we could dump maybe even more, maybe we could dump to 20K right now, but still I'm expecting here in the next days a pump to the upside, not a financial advice, bratans. And in case we are breaking the monthly support line, so in case we are breaking 24,800, then obviously I'm expecting dump to 20K. But as long as we are staying above the monthly support, above 24,800, I'm expecting a big bounce to the upside where the bears getting surprised and where the bears getting wrecked. So be careful right now, be prepared. We see the shorts are more in the market than longs, as you see here, very, very clear. The shorts are more in the market. And what the market makers are tend to do, they're trying to fuck all the shorts, right? You see a shorts going up, then they liquidate them all with a massive Bitcoin pump. So be careful, watch out for this. If we are watching right now, the dollar is still looks very weak. You see it here. The dollar is very, very weak. We opened the market also very weak with the dump. So therefore, I expect dollar going further to the downside. And if the dollar further going to the downside, we are expecting that Bitcoin going to the upside, right? We see here massive, massive dump. But man, usually, if we see this dump happen, it's like it's called a a Cascadian dump or waterfall dump, because we see one liquidation to another and we see massive dump. But this candle is standing still right now since how long? Let me quickly check. I think since 1 hour. Yeah, we closed already 1 hourly, 2 hour. So two 1 hourly candles. And I don't know, bratans, nobody knows. But I would be right now very careful with the short. In my opinion, not the financial advice, do your own research, but I think the room to go to downside is maybe to 24,800, not more. In case we are breaking 24,800, we can set another short position. Yes, then we can set another short position. Let me quickly show you this we have. CME gap we spoke about. Bitcoin dominance also. Bitcoin dominance is scratching here this a resistance line the whole time. You see, the more we are retesting resistance line, the more likely we could break it to the upside. So in case we are breaking the resistance line, bro, go sit down, because we could see massive pump. Today morning you was saying BTC will pump. I still think Bitcoin will pump. Do you hear me or not? I tell you, I'm expecting that this is only quick liquidation because of the FUD regarding the SEC. I'm expecting it will calm down in the next hours and the next days, and there will not much happen. On the big picture, anyways, it doesn't matter. I'm buying right now the whole time more Bitcoin, and not more Bitcoin, more altcoins, because in the big picture, yes, we're expecting here some cool down, but we have only 1 year, less than 1 year. Shut the fuck up, blood. We have less than 1 year time to go to the 1st April when we have the halving. And after the halving, hold, blood, hold your feet down the ground, blood. We are going up to 130, 140K. So right now is the time to dollar cost average in the market. It doesn't matter if you buy Bitcoin 16K or if you buy at 25K, if Bitcoin is at 140K, bratan. You understand what I mean? So how much it can dump, I told you, maybe you're watching just now. We could dump as low as 24,800, so to the monthly support line. In case we are breaking 24,800, then we can go easily to 20K. So be prepared for this. But in case we are not, in case we are holding 24,800, the monthly support line, I'm expecting that we will see a bounce to the upside. We see also here right now, Ethereum broke down. I mean, Ethereum had a very bullish breakout from this resistance line, right? You see here, we broke up, retested, bumped to the upside, but right now we're breaking to the downside. But this one looks also not now bearish, because we still have over 6 hours until we are closing this daily candle, and it could move very quickly to the upside, and it will be only a wick, a green wick, and a green wick means it was a fake out. So be careful right now with shorts, in my opinion. I mean, you can do whatever you want. The short opportunity was when I told you the whole time when we are breaking here the daily support line to the weekly support line. So this was a short opportunity, but right now I personally would wait. I mean, it depends on you. Let us quickly watch if they're introducing already the glasses or not. No, they're not introducing still the glasses. Okay, we are waiting. I still expecting, as I told you in the video in the morning, I still expecting that we could see here a massive pump to the upside as soon as they will introduce the Bitcoin glasses, bratan. So watch out for this. We are watching. We are watching parallel to the live stream of Apple what is happening here, and we see here also Seth writing in a log chart versus regular chart. See the difference, because your brain don't understand logarithmic chart. Same chart, different scale. Bull market starting. I mean, in my opinion, like I told you, yes, we can go further down. We can even go to 20K. If we see right now more FUD against Binance, and if Binance would go bankrupt, then we can easily go to 10K or 8K. But not right now is the time to go to 10K. Maybe in Q3, Q4, when everything goes to shit, because they're printing money right now. But not now, not now. And usually, Platans, if you are long in the market as I am, then you know this candle, usually the market maker don't let you short. It usually happens so fast that you cannot short. It's breaking down within 15 minutes. You see a dump of over 15%. Right now, this was a dump only of 5%. Usually, you see within minutes a dump of 15 or 20%. Right now, this looks exactly like a liquidation week to liquidate all the long positions. Not a financial advice. Do your own research. And right now, as soon as they will introduce the Apple Glass, we could. I'm very interested if the Render token, which is the Render network, they have the native token called Render, will see a pump or not, because they are working with Apple. We are continuing our work with Apple to expand Octane blah blah X, right? Let us quickly watch if the Render token saw a dump. See, they saw also a dump from 270 to 250. I told you not to buy it right now. Let us see if they will buy it or not. Yeah, let us go quickly to, I mean, on the big picture, as I told you, Bitcoin network hash, all-time high, Bitcoin addresses on all-time high, where we have here, Bitcoin address, all-time high. Bitcoin looks in the big picture very healthy. This only fucking FUD news, which brings Bitcoin right now down. Let us quickly, that I ask me some questions, Bradans, and yeah, if I see some move in the market, I will tell you. You can borrow your office. Amazing, brother. I'm very happy to be here in the garage because it's so quiet, but the problem is here so many mosquitoes, brother. They're eating me like this fucking mosquitoes. What do you think about VeChain? VeChain, I don't know a lot about, but VeChain, what I've heard, it could probably be a blue chip project. My buying zone for FXS, as I told you, I have a limit order right now on FXS here exactly at this line, at this white line. Here at $5.80 I have a limit order for buying FXS because it's a massive support resistance line from May 2022, right? So therefore, I make it maybe a little bigger than you see it. So therefore, I'm expecting here to buy, in case we are breaking it down, then we can see FXS crashing to $4. I don't expect, but it could possibly be. But FXS I have already so much bought. Binance will hurt soon a lot. Possibly. I told you, if in case Binance go down shit, then we could see Bitcoin going to 10K easily, or 8K. However, Radans, I mean, I always also tell you can trade on Bybit, for example. Bybit has no FUD. You get $1,000 free long or short position, but at the end, it doesn't matter where you trade. What you have always to consider, if you're buying coins, hold them on a cold wallet, not on the exchange, because on the exchange you could potentially lose your funds. And also on Binance. Binance could also go bankrupt. So Kindazir asking me in German, thank you, brother, first. He asking me if I think that Bitcoin will retest 20K, and I guess you are watching right now, just watching. I told already we have two big support lines. We have the weekly support line and we have the monthly support line. In case we are breaking the monthly support line, which is a very, very strong support line, in case we are breaking 24,800, then I'm expecting that we are going to retest 20K. But to break the monthly support line, I mean, there has to happen something even bigger, because this news is already huge. And you see here at around 24,800, we are getting massive volume in. So I don't expect that we are dumping below 24,800 unless we are getting some more FUD against Binance. But this news is already huge, right? That the SEC will sue Binance. Any other question, Bradans? What the fuck, they're introducing new iPhone, or what they're doing?
You type. It starts with the feature at the core of typing accurately on iPhone, autocorrect. Autocorrect is powered by on-device machine learning, and over the years, we've
Should we watch
continued to
together?
advance
Do you
these
want
models.
to see it?
The keyboard now leverages a transformer language model, which is state-of-the-art for word prediction, making autocorrect more accurate than ever.
So
And with the
right
power
now
of
he
Apple
asking
Silicon,
me, he asking me, someone, brother, what are the VCs in Dubai saying at the moment? Are they buying or selling? I remember you once talked to a VC in a live last year. He mentioned the bottom being in that time. Yes. First things first. How we
if an
found
autocorrection
the
isn't
bottom.
quite what you
If
wanted,
you remember,
tapping the
we
underlying
are
word shows what you originally
clearly,
typed,
I told
with the
you,
option to
found the
quickly
bottom
revert back to it.
as soon
And in those
because
moments
we
where you
watched
just
here
want to type a
on
ducking
the total
word,
crypto market cap,
well,
when
the
total
keyboard
crypto
will learn
market
it too.
cap
When it comes
touched
to speeding
from
up your typing,
2018,
predictive
the
text
all-time
already
high.
helps you quickly
And
finish,
I told you, I
add,
think
or
it was
change a
here
word.
approximately in
And
July
now you'll
2022
get
or
predictions
something
in line
summer.
as you
I told
type.
you, as soon
So
as
finishing
we
a
are
word,
retesting
or
this
even the
line,
whole
right?
sentence,
so here,
is as
we
easy
will
as
see
tapping the
the
space
bottom
bar.
will in.
And
you see, we
predictions
perfectly
improve based on the phrases
tested
and
it,
words
and then we
you
saw
use,
pump the
so they're
relief
more
rally began.
personalized.
So right now,
Another-
what the VCs are saying, they're saying, yes, the bottom is in. However, we could dump. Nobody knows. There's no guarantee. But right now, the VCs are buying Bitcoin and altcoins
typing
right now.
on
This
iPhone
is from
better
what
than
I
ever.
know. And I mean, we see it not only here, we see it also on the, wait a minute, Bitcoin whale addresses. They're going also up. I mean, it's not, you can watch also with the whale addresses. Wait a minute. 1 second. Where it's been. Yes, 1 second. Yeah, I mean, you see it here also on the whale addresses. Wait a minute, here.
Inspired by rich details from their day, including
BTC,
people, places, activity, and even music, in addition to photos. Today, we're excited to introduce Journal,
So
a brand new app coming to iPhone later this year.
BTC, and not
Journaling
only BTC, but also altcoins. So therefore, right now, my friends and VCs also buying right now, and you hear the Apple stream? Wait a minute. So my friends and VCs buying right now, yeah, and dollar cost average. As I told you, Bratans, I told you right now is the time to buying in Bitcoin and altcoins, because on the big picture, as I showed you here, there is not much time left. There are only, we have less than 12 months until we can buy Bitcoin or altcoins. Right now we can retest to 16K. Maybe we are going to 10K. In the big picture, it doesn't matter. You have to see the big picture. If you see the big picture, it doesn't matter, Bratans. If you are right now on Binance and you are afraid and you cannot set up quickly a cold wallet, you have to do cold wallet. But if you want, move your funds to Bybit. Bybit has no FAT at all. They have proof of funds. If you want, link is down below and you get $1,000 bonus for a short or a long position. You can check the link down below. It's affiliate link. It's a win-win situation for you and for me, Bratans. Check it out. Check it out. Can you mute Apple Stream? So do you have any more questions, Bratans?
The ability to lock your journal. No one but you can access it, not even Apple. So that's Journal.
You have any questions, Bratans? Or does anybody watch the stream? Let me double check. Oh, 71 people watching, amazing. You need to mute Apple. I already muted Apple. You cannot hear Apple. Tenant protocol coin, yeah, I've heard about it, Bratans. To be honest, it sounds very good, but it sounds amazing, but I can't tell you right now if it's good or not. Do you have a trade open, Actual? Yes, I have a trade open on Bybit at the moment. I have, let me quickly show you. Yes, I will try to stream right now every day, Bratan. I have a long position open on Aave. My long position is right now minus $4,700. Here, minus $4,700. My liquidation price is at $39, but I'm expecting Aave to go amazing G-Wagon color. Thank you. Yeah, I think also. I expecting Aave to go further to the upside. Let me show you here quickly Aave, my TA on Aave. Aave, blood. Oh, Aave is perfectly retesting here. Wait a minute. Aave is perfectly retesting here this the support line of das Zuckerblatt. Wait 1 second, of the symmetrical triangle. We are perfectly retesting it. I don't want to see Aave breaking here this support line. In case Aave breaking this support line, this would be very dramatic and I would get liquidated. So this is what I don't want to see, because in case we are breaking here the symmetrical triangle to the upside, then I'm expecting Aave to go to $160, and this would be from here on over 180% potential to the upside. So yeah, possibly, wait, you don't see? Why you don't see any more Aave, blood? What the fuck, Alter? Blood. Did you see anything? You don't see anything, right? Your screen is frozen. Oh man, it's so annoying. It's so annoying with this. I don't understand this piece of shit always. 1 second, I have to check where I can change. Full screen, window, source. 1 second, I will add a new source. Video media source. Okay. Window. And we are capturing here the, where is it? This one. Okay. Do we want to see again Aave? Yeah, Aave here is in a symmetrical triangle. We are retesting here this support line right now. So therefore, I expecting Aave, in case we are breaking Aave to the upside, because it's symmetrical triangle, I expecting we could go to $160. This would be pump of over 180, 170%. So therefore, I'm quite bullish on Aave, but we shouldn't break here the support line. In case we should be breaking this support line, I could get wrecked. My liquidation is at $39, but in this case, maybe I will add even to my position. Looking good now. Thank you, man. Do some Filecoin TF love from Italy, Brody. I kiss you, Bratan. I can do it for you because you are commenting always on my YouTube channel. Bratan, let's watch Filecoin. Oh, it's not, wait a minute, I have to stretch it the right way. Transform, this fucking, I love so much animals, but this dog is so annoying, blind. What is this, man? What the fuck is this? Can you tell me? Super blind, yeah. Rotate. What is this? 1 second. Copy, fit to screen. Why he's so annoying, this dog? I don't understand really. Why they don't bring this dog to a how it's called? Why it's so? To somebody who can, like for kids, you know? Oh man, it's so, wait a minute. I can flip light. Okay. Let's do it like this. Fuck it. You see me? You see me, you hear me, yeah? Okay, I do Filecoin TA for you, Bratan. Let us quickly watch Filecoin. I quite bullish on Filecoin also. I mean, it depends who will make the race in this in this Web3 storage, but Filecoin saw a dump. I mean, all-time high of Filecoin was at around $237. Right now, it dumped more than 99%. It's right now at around $4. So in case they are winning the race of the Web3, I'm expecting obviously Filecoin to reach all-time high again at $236. This would be a pump of over 50% of 40x. 10x is 40, 20, 50x, 50x, my brain blind, or 50x potentially a pump opportunity. And right now, as we see, definitely Filecoin either they will survive the bull market or they will never come back. I mean, Filecoin definitely bottomed out. I mean, there's really not much room to go to the downside. You see, I mean, it doesn't matter at the end of, if you are bullish on the Filecoin, if you're buying at $4 or $2.80, in the big picture, it doesn't matter, because Filecoin, either it's going to $100 back and $200, or it will never go to the upside, go back up. But I'm quite bullish on Filecoin, to be honest. Let me quickly watch. I just shortly I checked Filecoin regarding some storage, regarding some new entertainment project which I will connect to crypto. But I didn't like Filecoin, I liked Storch more. Storch is this coin, this project. Storch, I like this more because they have a better price structure. They have right now market cap of 100 million, and Filecoin has fully diluted also 116. Oh, Filecoin has a market of 1.8 billion. Ooh, shit. And the fully diluted of 8 billion. Fully, you have always to watch fully diluted. Fuck, I'm not so bullish anymore. Fully diluted, it's not so nice. I mean, if they win the race of the Web3, then they can easily go 10x, but right now 5x at the moment maximum. So I personally will not invest in Filecoin, to be honest, because there are better opportunities, but it depends on you, bratan. This crash and news will start domino effect like an FTX crash. No, bratan, no, this cannot be, because FTX got bankrupt, you know, and I told you from FTX, take off your funds. I tell you also now, take your funds off all the exchange, or at the moment, if you cannot store, take it to another exchange, which is safe at the moment, and this at the moment, Bybit. Binance has right now only FUD. It's always FUD because they're trying to hide all this FTX shit, what they did. So I don't expect that Binance will go right now bankrupt, but it's not a guarantee. Store always your funds on a cold wallet. Should we buy Aave or not? If yes, how much? I mean, I would buy right now Aave, because Aave is so cheap. I mean, if you're watching Aave, it's one of the biggest DeFi protocols, and if we are watching here, wait a minute, where's Aave? It's right now at $59. All-time high was here at around $700. So it's a 10x from here, and it's definitely bottomed out also. I mean, you see here, we are down below here. There's not much room to go to downside. Maybe we go to $28, but it doesn't matter in the big picture. So in my opinion, right now, dollar cost averaging in Aave is amazing. Here you see, definitely bottomed out in my opinion. So right now, it doesn't matter if you buy at $56 or $28, but it depends on you. It's not financial advice. You have to decide yourself, brother. So when they will introduce the Google glasses?
Yeah, you can still annotate right on
They're introducing right now. iPad. Again, new iPad. How much iPads?
If you need to finish later, you can use live collaboration from anywhere. It's even great combined with a FaceTime call. With PDF.
Okay, it doesn't matter. So, chilies, I still holding also some chilies, but I don't know much about it, to be honest. Bratan, do we need to take a risk and short BNB with the FAT? For sure not. Right now, I mean, do what you want, but right now starting to short BNB when the news is out and when Bitcoin is here right now starting to finding support at the weekly or at the monthly support. In my opinion, this is the worst thing what you can do, starting to short right now BNB, except you know that there are more FAT news coming. If there are more FAT news coming, then it would be a good idea, but not now. In my opinion, do your own research. Thank you, brother. So, bratans, let me quickly watch. I mean, guys, I would so much. Why it's hanging right now? Why it's? Can somebody explain me why it's always starts to hang blood? Hoppa. I want to see the Apple Glass, because I think I kiss you. Yeah, you're welcome for the answer. I think as soon as they release the Apple Glass, we could see pump. Not a financial advice, Bratans. And obviously, we shouldn't see more FAT going on for Binance, right? Can I work for you if you can something? Yes, for sure. Which trade order now? Bratan.
Celebrated by the team, perhaps a bit too much, and beloved by millions. Introducing macOS Sonoma, a big new release that will make
blah 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 blah. In my opinion, right now it could be potentially a long opportunity, not a financial advice, but I mean, if we are going here right now long and set a stop loss below the monthly support, below 24,700, 600, and make our take profit area, I mean, we could set our take profit area at this resistance line. You see at this resistance line at around 27k or slightly below 27k. It's risk reward 1.2. It's not the biggest one. Or we aiming for the big price target of around 36k. So this will be risk reward of 9.81. In my opinion, it's an amazing risk reward, even if we are getting stopped out. Because if we're getting stopped out at 24,600, then we can switch into a short position, which would be then a perfect short position, because in case we are closing clearly below the monthly support, then we can set a very, very tight stop loss above the monthly or above the weekly support, above 25,500, sets our price tag 21,000, approximately 21,200. We have risk reward of 3.4 here. You see 3.4. So in my opinion, this is an amazing, right now, long opportunity. In case we are breaking monthly support line, it's a short opportunity. However, do your own research, it's not a financial advice, Bratan. This is only my opinion. Please do your own research. So I'm posting also right now which coins I bought, Bratans, because wait a minute, I want to post in our buy Aave or XRP. For me, it's a very easy decision because XRP has a market cap already. Guys, you always don't watching the market caps. XRP, look, I mean, compare. You have really to understand what you're doing with your money, Bratans. Aave has a market cap of 800 million, fully diluted 950 million. XRP, blood, has a market cap of 25 billion, Bratans. 50 billion fully diluted. What do you expecting? If XRP do a 10x, it has a market cap of over 500 billion. It would have a market cap of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a market cap of 500 million. XRP would go to 1. This will be in the best case ever, 10x. But for Aave to do a 10x, it would have only market cap of 10 billion. So this is much more likely than XRP doing a 10x right now. In my opinion, not a financial advice, you have to do your own research. don't forget, Bratans, what I'm doing, wenn die rauskommt, kann Apple Pump möglich sein. Yeah, I think if the Apple Glass will be released, we could see potentially a pump in the crypto market, because right now it not looks like a very strong dump. It's like a quickly fat dump, but we see right now the bulls are coming already back. It all depends if we're getting more fat news, you know? Nobody knows from us this. In my opinion, Bratans, if you want to know which altcoins I'm buying, because right now you have to build a portfolio within this year, you have to dollar cost average. If you want to know which portfolio I'm buying, you can join the Telegram group. Link is down below. We are 36 people only in this Telegram group. It's a very private group. I answering also really, I think, every question, because we are so less people there. I'm very happy about it. And I show you which altcoins I'm buying constantly. I show you all my insider information. And we as a group also bought, for example, Cubic. Cubic is from one of the founder, and I have a direct contact to the miners, and I bought from the miners, and I had the opportunity to give you also the people who are in the group. It's only $100 per month. It's really nothing. All my friends and people said you have to increase at least to 250 or even more, because this insider information you're not getting anywhere, because people are not interested and give this insider information, even not for $250. And I mean, with 35 people, I'm not even making money with this group. So if you want, I do it. I don't know why I do it actually. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I will close it. But no, I let it right now open. You can check it out. Link is down below, Bratans. And yes. How much of your wealth you should invest? So I invested everything in crypto, but you have to decide yourself. So a lot of people saying you have to diversify crypto, stocks, real estate market, but I invest only there where I understand the best crypto, and I could be horribly wrong, but poche. I say poche, bratan. Then I sell the cars, and then I started again from new, you know, I'm coming from the bottom. But in my opinion, you should trade only. Leverage trading, what you can do on Bybit, or you can do on also spot, but leverage trading you should do only with less than 1% of your portfolio, because the risk to lose all your money is very high on leverage trading unless you're very, very professional. And what you should do on exchanges, centralized exchanges, you should buy tokens and then move them to your cold wallet, because Binance can go bankrupt, Bybit can go bankrupt, all the exchanges can go bankrupt. But if you are number one, and Binance is number one, then you have the most, you're getting the most attacks by governments, right? And Binance has a very good position because they're not number one, not number two, they're like in the middle field, and so they have a very good position. In my opinion, I use it a lot. I use a lot of exchanges. So let us check releasing the glasses.
デストランディング、ディレクターズカットの先行予約は近日中に開始する予定です。ぜひ楽しみにお待ちください。それでは Thank you.
Thanks, Kojima-san. Now, let's shift to the ways macOS will help you be more productive, starting with video conferencing.
Oh man, they still are, блядь, still speaking about this shit. I will buy Aave now. You have to decide yourself, bratan. I have only my comedy Instagram, bratans. If you want, you can check it out. I have only my comedy Instagram and my comedy TikTok. These are my comedy. Oh, what happened? Hello? 1 second. You hear me still, right? 1 second, black. 300 million got liquidated. Oh shit. Okay, now you see me again, right? Not that you see my pawn. Let us quickly check how much people got liquidated. It's loading. So, liquid 250 million liquidation in the last 4 hours. In the last 24 hours, we have 300 million liquidation. But only in the last 4 hours, 250 million liquidations. What the fuck, man? Oh my God. On Ethereum got so many people wrecked. Shit. Because why? Because Ethereum broke out of this ETH, of this big line, right? Here. Boah, but still, look how bullish it looks. Fuck. Shit, I didn't saw it. Look how bullish Ethereum Bitcoin chart looks. I mean, we broke this massive, we were watching Ethereum Bitcoin chart September 2022. We broke it to the upside. And yes, Ethereum broke to the downside, but on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we retested. And look how bullish. Fuck. Bratans, I would be very careful with shorts. This speaks for massive pump in the crypto market. Fuck, look how bullish Ethereum looks. Man, I mean, it's still 6 hours to go. I would wait until we're closing, but this candle looks very bullish. In my opinion, man, I tell you, as long as we're not breaking 24,800 or as long as we're not breaking 20K, I still expecting we will see Bitcoin going up here to around 35, 36K to our here red resistance line, which is a massive resistance line since 2020. I mean, it was here support and resistance, and right now it will turn into a resistance line. So I would be very, very careful with shorts right now. Yes, I live 100% in Dubai, bratan. Dubai is best. I'm one of them. Shit, bradans. I feel you. Don't trade too much if you cannot trade. Then just buy on spot, better dollar cost average in the market, so you will be more safe, bratan. Let us quickly watch. Someone asking me in German which technical analysis tools I'm using, and I'm using obviously the classical ones like the MACD, the Cypher B, and the RSI, but also the VPVR, RVP blood, and the Gaussian channel is very interesting. But the Gaussian channel, and this is quite bearish. I mean, the Gaussian channel showed us before already that we will see a dump, right? Why? Because the Gaussian channel turned red and showed us clearly here that we see a dump. Let us see how far we will dump, and wow, the Gaussian channel broke even down. I mean, it depends, bratan, it depends how we will close it. It depends how the Google glasses will perform. But the Cypher B is also very interesting to watch what the Cypher B is showing us. Cypher B has here still a red dot, so nothing big, but what is on the 1 hourly? On the 1 hourly it's a red candle. Yeah, it's not showing so much right now. On the 15 minutes, a green candle. Oh yeah, I knew it. On the 15 minute, it showed a green dot. I mean, a green dot, you see. And usually, if it's showing a green dot, the MACD, it's usually we should see a pump. So what we could see right now, we could see a retest of the daily support line. So we could see right now a pump here to the level of 27,600 approximately. 7% potentially. Or, I mean, the first price target would be here, obviously right now, this resistance line 26,600. You see here, because there is a lot of resistance coming, which we broke. You see here, right? Here, a lot of resistance and support. So potentially for my hourly traders, this could be a long position of 3.4%. The MACD showing us, the Cypher B clearly showing us a green dot here. And we see also the RSI is heavily oversold. It all depends also on the news, bratans, as I told you. And it seems like the MACD is about to cross. If the green line crosses the red line to the upside, it's also a clear long opportunity. On Bybit, you have a long $1,000 free long or short position, bratans. The link is down below here. Don't forget. Philippines, yeah, I will visit Philippines. Green screen, this green screen. Yes, it's green screen, bratan. No, I didn't go to Dubai not only because of the taxes. Taxes is also nice, but it's a whole different lifestyle. Are you still actor? Yeah, still actor. I'm working also on new projects for you, bratans. I hope you will like it. Kennst du das SK-System? I don't know what this SK-System is. Bangkok I was, but only short. I was in Koh Samui. Have you used smart money concepts? What is this? Smart money concepts. I don't know what smart money concepts are, bratans. Let us quickly watch again the Apple keynote. I'm very interested when they start
automatically
to
show up. And not only can you start to play music using AirPlay from your iPhone, you can now also ask Siri on your HomePod to start an AirPlay session, letting you play even more of your favorite content using just your voice. Just say, Siri, play Arlo Parks on SoundCloud. With so much media at your fingertips on your iPhone and iPad, you can enjoy your content from anywhere, even when traveling. That's why we're excited about launching AirPlay in hotels. With AirPlay support in hotels, it's easy to take advantage of the big screen in your room to watch an episode of your favorite show or practice tomorrow's presentation. Pairing is simple. Just scan the QR code and tap the confirmation. That's it. You're automatically connected to Wi-Fi and ready to resume watching from right where you left off. AirPlay will be available in select hotels before the end of the year, with more to follow.
I'm in the garage because it's here very quiet, bratans, because my son is getting teeth right now and he cannot sleep so good. So it's the best if I'm here it's calm, you know, for him and for me.
Others in the car to control the music and add to what's playing, even passengers in the backseat. That's why we're thrilled to bring SharePlay to the car. Now, when the driver's iPhone is connected to CarPlay, any passenger's iPhone will automatically suggest joining their session.
Regarding XRP, I don't know much, bratans. To be honest, I don't know much. I don't watch XRP as closely because XRP has too big market cap. It's not interesting for me. The market cap of XRP is too big, in my opinion.
Along with all of your entertainment. In tvOS 17, we've completely redesigned Control Center, making it more intuitive to do things like access AirPods.
Fuck, how long, man? Why they need so long until they show the...
User profiles. All with a touch of the Siri remote. And for the times when you can't find your Siri remote, you can now use your iPhone to locate it and get back Sometimes what you really want to watch isn't a show at all. It could be your favorite family photos that fill the room with joy. Now, to enjoy these special moments even more, you can select Memories as your screensaver and see your photos perfectly framed with fluid animations and transitions. Our home is also where we connect with loved ones. And for times when we're not in the same place, we're excited to introduce a new feature that will transform your living room. FaceTime is coming to Apple TV. Now everyone can get
What about my Aave position?
family on the big screen. The new FaceTime app on Apple TV takes advantage of continuity camera to unlock incredible.
My Aave position is very healthy. Wow, look, Aave see also, you see the bulls are starting to lose against the bears. The bears starting to lose against the bulls. So you see, this looks very bullish. So in my opinion, this is a nice long opportunity on Aave because, I mean, bro, look at this long opportunity in my opinion. The price target is here of the symmetrical triangle is $160 and the stop loss, if you set even the stop loss, let's set the stop loss below 30K, then you have still 3.3 risk reward ratio. Amazing long opportunity. Not a financial advice, do your own research, bratans. You can long also Aave on Bybit, bratans. Link down below, $1,000 free long position. Wow.
Together and everyone stays in sync.
What is
So that's
crypto casa?
FaceTime on Apple TV. And for developers, we're adding continuity camera APIs to make the biggest screen in your home more connected and entertaining. So apps like Zoom and WebEx will be coming to tvOS for the very first time by the end of this year. These are some of the features coming to audio and home. AirPods take personal audio to the next level with adaptive audio. AirPlay is coming to hotels.
Give me two long-term projects, dear. So my two long-term projects are FXS and, oh, I have to watch. FXS Cubic, definitely. And even though some people told me don't talk about Cubic right now because it's so early that IDEX, definitely. IDEX is a decentralized exchange, very low market cap. I mean, look at the market cap of IDEX, bro. Please, look at this. I mean, it's very risky, bratans. You have to consider it. It's very risky. If you're watching IDEX market cap right now is at 46 million, fully diluted 68 million. It's nothing compared to DXY if we are watching. The DX, or not DXY, DYX? No. DXDY. No. DYDX, like this, yeah. So the other decentralized exchange is at 350 million. I mean, it's this is one of the leading decentralized exchange. If you're watching IDEX, could alone to reach DYDX right now make over, how much? Over 6, 7x. You understand? This is fucking crazy. And decentralized exchanges are the big narrative in the next bull market. Even CZ himself said we need more decentralized exchange. So what we are waiting right now here on IDEX, it's not a promotion. I would like to promote them for money, but yeah, I don't work with them together. And they have the fully diluted. It's also 67 million, so it's amazing. You have always to watch fully diluted. And in my opinion, this is an amazing potential project, but you have to consider yourself, Bratan. It's very dangerous. You have always to consider yourself. I want to buy 992 turbos. I have 50K, but I need 4x that I can buy. I don't understand you. You want to buy turbo, the meme coin or what? If you want for 50K buy turbo, it's a meme coin. It would be stupid. What do you think? Will IOTA ever make it? Will they come back? I fully believed in the Tangle project. Any mind in that? IOTA has right now an official partnership with UAE. And I have some insider information, and I think it will be big. It will be big. Cubics, no, Cubic. What movies are you in, bro? Matt Naples, Florida. What do you mean? What do you mean, Bratan? I am from Bangladesh, I kiss you. But no max supply, bro. IDEX has no max supply. Really? I didn't watch that. The total supply, 1 billion. Light blue G-Wagon looks the bollocks. What it mean, looks the bollocks? Looks nice, yeah? Thank you, man. So when Apple, this motherfuckers will now they're introducing this piece of shit watch, man. Who is interested in this? It's so gay to watch this Apple
Watch, now features dynamic background colors that reflect the time of day.
If you are watching,
and I can easily see when it might be a good time to call
using Apple Watch, please throw it away, Bratan, because this Apple Watch is only distracting you and using your dopamine. What about the future of FXS also? FXS have also a big holding. I want to buy 911 Turbo S Porsche. So how can I 4x my 50k? You have to decide yourself, but for example, FXS, I think it will make at least 10x in the next 2 years. But you have to decide yourself. One day I met you, sir. From day one, I'm following you. I kiss you, Bratan. Oh, I'm happy tomorrow to go again to the gym, Bratan. I'm so addicted to gym since I'm not addicted anymore to this fucking social media. And to chocolate croissants.
As well. And to celebrate watchOS 10, we're bringing Snoopy and Woodstock to Apple Watch. These beloved comic strip characters come to in many different...
Audi, yeah, Audi, I also think it will be big. Audi, you know, Michael Saylor is very bullish on ordinals. Audi is the very first token, so I'm expecting Audi to really, really go very bullish, Bratan. So, yeah, Audi I'm very bullish on. Wait a minute, I put the light on. MCRT also very bullish, yes, because it's Big Balls Jamie's project, and I believe in Big Balls Jamie. Don't be so upset, bro. Get to pick it up cheaper. What do you mean, Bratan? Yeah, don't for 4x 550k spend it on car. That's true. Full chocolate, yes, man. Full chocolate, shit.
They could be playful with the watch hands.
Wow, man, please
React
look at
to the
this
weather conditions in your area
of Aave. Fuck, this is crazy,
or even get active
man.
with you. It's terrific to have Snoopy on Apple Watch. We're so excited for you to experience your Apple Watch in a whole new way.
FXX Flex Share, yes.
Apps that provide more information at a glance and new ways to navigate and quickly access your content, all powered by the intelligence of watchOS 10.
Vanalesi, thank you, brother. Ich küsse dich, no name. So many Germans, brothers. Very happy. I would like to do more, again, more content in German, but I want to focus on English to get really the world. We need to get the world, brother.
By taking a percentage of your FTP, we can...
Didn't get what is happening with US and Binance. This is happening, bratans. SEC sues Binance and accuses crypto exchange of mishandling funds. This is the reason for it. Let us quickly watch if CZ something wrote. Ah, yeah. Look at this. CZ said something. CZ wrote something. Wait a minute. Ah, here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. Look at this. Charles Hoskinson, the CEO of Cardano, or with respect to Binance, and CZ retweeted, respect to Binance, I'm reading through the SEC complaint, it's all 130 pages, but seems like the next in a series of steps into implement choke point 2.0 in the United States. The end goal is agenda-based CBDC partnered with a handful of massive banks and end-to-end control over every aspect of your financial life. Wait a minute, how can I make it bigger? A regulatory event is where you have a debate about compliance with the law or guidance. This event seems to be a political philosophical disagreement with the very existence of cryptocurrencies and what they represent. An unelected group of people have decided that concepts like self-sovereign identity, owning your wallet, and the freedom to control your economic agency should be removed from the mass and given to the enlightened few. Yeah, honestly, what is happening isn't anything new. It's always the same fight between freedom and authoritarianism, just with different players, technology and words. It does seem like this event is a perfect opportunity for the entire industry to set aside its fragmented nature and unite for a common sense of rules and guidelines that can prevent the United States from slipping into dystopia that would make 1984 look like a vacation. 1984 was a big recession. I'll have more to say later, but I will close with we are going to be fine, everything's all right, and the future is bright for the industry. Yeah, for sure, like bratan. 100% just another FUD. This is what I told you, so therefore I don't expect, bratan, I don't expect that this will, wait a minute, 1 second. I don't expect that this dump will further go to the downside unless they have some more news which will come. So therefore, bratans, in my opinion, right now to short, it would be stupid, in my opinion. The short opportunity was, as I told you, bratans, the short opportunity, you have to watch my channel. The short opportunity for our day traders and hourly traders was here on the daily second support. As I told you, as soon as we're breaking daily second support, then we can short down to the weekly support, but not right now, because right now we could maybe go to the monthly support 24,800, but that's it already. No, I meant cubic, this is what I mean, like this, cubic. Great content, bro. Thank you, brother. Yeah, you see, I mean, let us watch if there's something more CZ wrote. I mean, you see, somebody like Charles Hoskinson supporting it. There's not, it's just piece of shit. Yeah, this is also very interesting. Look at this. CZ retweeted, the SC is going harder at Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Ripple than it ever did at FTX. That about say all you need to know about the situation. It's so stupid, bratans, because I don't know which stupid people are sitting there, but they are trying that the whole crypto industry is running away from USA and running to UAE, possibly to Hong Kong. UAE is already a big crypto hub and will be in the future. Saudi Arabia will it be. And they're losing their position of strength with this. It's so stupid, crazy. No, I'm sitting in the garage, Bratan. Why you think this is green screen? How to mine Cubic? I don't know how to mine. I'm working together with the miners. I'm investing there. If I would pay for Korean voiceover, by the way, but I had some Korean voiceover, but they've been not so good, so I fired them again. Possibly, if I have enough Cubic myself, I have already so much Cubic, but possibly I will sell again some cubics. Let us quickly watch if wait a minute. What Apple's still showing.
With family setup, time and daylight can be measured from a child's Apple Watch, even if they don't have their own iPhone. And with health sharing, parents will be able to keep track of it.
Imagine an Apple Watch
Another
for your
behavior that
kid
can lower
is the
myopia
worst
risk
thing
in
what you
kids
can
is
ever
to
do.
increase the distance at which they view something, like a device or a book.
Someone asking, can you as a normal person be rich, become rich with crypto? For sure. It's always same. You can become rich with everything as long as you have knowledge, bratan.
Them to move their device farther away. Screen distance can also help adults reduce digital eye strain. We are thrilled to provide new ways to track and manage vision health. Back to you, Kevin.
Adding support for these two areas can give you even more insight into your health. And as always, privacy is core to our work. Your information in the Health app, including mental health and vision health data, is encrypted on device and only accessible with your passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID. And it's never shared without your explicit permission.
Who dresses
WatchOS
up these
10
guys,
is a
man?
major milestone, giving Apple Watch an enormous update with a fresh new design
making
to quickly
always
view
advertisement
information,
for fitness, but
delightful
they
new
all
watch
fat.
faces, new features for cyclists and hikers, and important tools for health. Back to you, Craig.
Very cringe, this Apple.
So those are our updates to iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, and the software that powers audio and home. With each, we continue our commitment to delivering unique capabilities, tailor-made for each device, while simultaneously designing for a consistent experience with features and capabilities that work across them. This is a big year for developers, with new APIs across all platforms that will enable you to build even more innovations into your apps. And we have an exciting week ahead, starting with the Platform State of the Union, along with 175 sessions,
I have only one
opportunities to
Rolex,
engage
which I
with
bought.
Apple
It's only
engineers through one-on-one
$7,000
labs,
Rolex. I
as
don't
well
have
as
any watch.
other activities to interact with our
And even
global
this
developer
Rolex,
community.
I don't
Our OS
wear
releases
often.
will be available as
It's only
developer betas
$6,000.
today, and each of them will have a public beta next month. All of these OS releases will be available to our users this fall. Now, back to Tim.
Thanks, Craig.
Now
Today
Apple
we
glasses,
introduced some
bratans.
amazing
Are
new
you ready?
Macs and showed you where we're taking the incredible software platforms that drive our products. It's already been a big day. But we do have one more thing. This is a day that's been years in the making, one that I've really been looking
Fuck,
forward
I'm
to.
excited.
I believe that augmented reality is a profound technology. Blending digital content with the real world can unlock experiences like nothing we've ever seen. So today, I'm excited to announce an entirely new AR platform with a revolutionary new product. And here it is.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. Ah.
Introducing
In 20
Apple
years,
Vision
people
Pro.
will laugh about the people who wear these glasses.
Vision Pro is a new kind of computer that augments reality by seamlessly blending the real world with the digital world. It's the first Apple product you look through and not at. Vision Pro feels familiar, yet it's entirely new. You can see, hear, and interact with digital content just like it's in your physical space. And you control Vision Pro using the most natural and intuitive tools, your eyes, hands, and voice. With Vision Pro, you're no longer limited by a display. Your surroundings become an infinite canvas. Use your apps anywhere and make them any size you want. Capture photos and videos and relive your most important memories in an entirely new way. Watch your movies, shows, and sports, and immerse yourself in games on a giant screen surrounded by spatial audio. And connect with people as if you're sharing the same space. These are just some of the ways that Vision Pro blends digital content into the space around us. So in the same way that Mac introduced us to personal computing and iPhone introduced us to mobile computing, Apple Vision Pro will introduce us to spatial computing. This marks the beginning of a journey that will bring a new dimension to powerful personal technology. To tell you about the experience of using Vision Pro, here's Alan.
Apple Vision Pro